Kalawara.
Yeah, can you believe that? Can you believe it? John McCain voted for John McCain voted for he's voted it down, passed, and he voted for
So it is my turn to tell a joke, apparently.
Did he call you back? It's really disappointing.
We don't like your jokes.
Can't think of anything right now.
Thank
So
God.
many people.
Do they?
Okay, we're gonna do another song by request. We are fulfilling requests at this time. This song actually comes from my album for the island of Hawaii. And it's a song entitled Ku'ule Hulili, and we're gonna feature this lady over here. She came all the way from Russia to be here this evening. It's her first time to Molokai, so don't kill her. You better not find her body on the side of the beach. No, Marina, we're just kidding.
Could be up the mountain.
The most they're gonna do, they're just gonna steal your wallet. That's about it.
How do you say hello in Russian?
No, this is the friendly island. They ask before they take your stuff.
Unless you came on a yacht.
You would have warning first.
Unless you came on a yacht, then we will prevent you. We will say Molokai is closed. We'll put one of those signs up. Molokai is closed.
Yacht
You guys have the big PVC one out across the harbor. I'm gonna send that one over.
Did you come on a yacht?
Yes.
No?
Molokai
Yacht?
closed. Thank you very much.
No yacht here.
Return.
We'll check.
Everybody, give her a round of applause. This is Marina.
Amen.
Hudili, everyone. This is Marina.